Move out.
Loyalists, eh? Are those the good Russians or the bad Russians?
Well, they won't shoot us on sight, if that's what you're asking.
Yeah, well, that's good enough for me, sir.
Enemy down. Good night.
There should be a few more guard posts up ahead. Kamarov and his men will be waiting for us in a field to the northwest.
But oil-rich nation. His successor, Khaled al-Assad, conducted the high-profile execution personally on national premises using all
Американцы делают попытку!
Enemy down.
Guys, you smell that?
Yeah, Kamarov.
Welcome to the new Russia, Captain Price.
What's the target, Kamarov? We've got an informant to recover.
The M21's on the other side of the hill. The rockets have killed hundreds of civilians in the valley below.
Not so fast. Remember Beirut? You're with us.
I guess I owe you one.
Bloody right you do.
Ваня, приближайся. Приготовься к атаке. Жди моего сигнала. This way. There's a good spot where your sniper can cover my men.
Sniper team in position. Guys, cover the left flank.
Roger, covering left flank.
So, switch to a sniper rifle.
Enemy contact north.
So, take out the machine gunners in the window so Kamarov's men can storm the building. So, take out the machine gunners in the windows. 10 o'clock low. So, hit those machine gunners. 10 o'clock low. Nice shot. McMillan will be impressed.
Вражеские войска! Северо-восток! Enemy helicopters!
You didn't say there'd be helicopters, Kamarov.
I didn't say there wouldn't be any either. We need to protect my men from those helicopter troops. This way.
Make it quick, Kamarov. I want that informant.
You have nothing to worry about. We'll take out BM-21s and carve a path straight to your informant, Captain Price. Какой статус? Сколько времени тебе нужно? Ладно, я буду разжевать, останавливать их.
We should just beat it out of him, sir.
Sir, we've got company.
Not yet.
Helicopter troops closing in fast.
Reloading. Enemy contact north.
Вот вам граната, гады! Передовой, укрытие! Человек сражен! Контакт вроде без укрытия!
Target eliminated.
Бегите, крысы! Герой, укройся! Christ! My men have run into heavy resistance! Help me support them from the cliffs!
What about our informant? He's running out of time.
And help us! The further my men can get into this village, the closer we will be to securing your informant. Не знал, как надо укрываться!
Enemy neutralized.
Good. Now we are making progress. Follow me to the power station. Look, the final assault has already begun. With a little bit more of your sniper support, we are sure to be victorious. Captain Price.
Enough sniping. Where is the informant?
Что ты делаешь? Что с ума сошел?
Where is
Что
he?
тебе The house! The house of the northeast end of the village!
Well, that wasn't so hard, was it? Now go and sit in the corner.
So, guys, we've got to reach that house before anything happens to the informant. Let's go. So, get down here. Move!
recover power, so get ready. Yes, do it. All right, I've cut the power. Go.
Victor! Electricity!
Night vision goggles make it too easy.
Вражеские войска идут в открытую! Саша! Ты здесь? Позовите на помощь! Он ранен!
Что вы хотите? Что вы? Спецвойска?
It's him.
Nikolai, are you alright? Can you walk?
Yes, I can still fight. Thank you for getting me out of here.
Big Bird, this is Bravo 6. We have the package. Meet us at LZ1. Over.
Bravo 6, this is Big Bird. We're on our way. Out.
Let's go.